Hi everybody, welcome back to another CYT-Crypto episode. My name's Stephen Aitchison and today we're going to be looking at the chart for Ethereum and see where we could go for that. Just very basic Ethereum charts. We're going to be looking at the support area, resistance and kind of the all-time highs as well, where we could go to in the future. So just kind of zoom out on this just now. This is a 4-hour chart and we can see quite clearly here we've got support around about the $3,900 area. We've got at the moment resistance at 4,400. And we've got the all-time high obviously around about the $4,900 area just now. So we're kind of in a band with in this channel just now that we're trading between. We've kind of gone out, we've come back in to retest and come back down again. So at the moment, this is where we stand just now. And just kind of pull this down a wee bit to show 3,900. We've gone down below that. But if we look at on the daily, just to give us a bigger picture, and kind of zoom out a wee bit, we can see quite clearly here this channel and the upper channel as well. So we don't want to see kind of Ethereum down at the $3,900 area, but if it does get to that area, that would represent a good buying opportunity to buy around about that area. If we fall below that, then we could be looking at probably around about the $3,600 area, and I don't see it falling much below that either. So just make that red as a secondary catch-all support line. So we'll make that up here and that gives it much better. You can see resistance here, previous resistance, resistance there as well in the past. So we've got resistance there, that's hopefully now becoming support. So that would be worst case scenario for me, 3,600, and I would definitely be buying a chunk of Ethereum there. But 3,900 looks more likely at the moment, depends what happens tomorrow and what the Fed say on Tuesday as well. So it could be that the whole market's come down for a short period of time. Just depends what happens. So it's not looking too bad for Ethereum. If we look at Ethereum on the Bitcoin chart as well, we are still at 8.7% or 8.7 million Satoshi for Ethereum Bitcoin chart. So we're still kind of breaking out just now. So if we move that down, you can see the bigger picture. I said we could get a major breakout to 23% of the Bitcoin price. At the moment it's 8.7% and we're still moving up just now. That's on the weekly. If we look on the daily, it doesn't look too bad at all. In fact, it looks really quite good. We've seen a breakout here at the 4-year breakout. This took 4 years to form, this kind of breakout. So it's finally broken out and I think we could still move high here. We might have the 10 area and come back down again before we bounce back up and give that possibly 23%, which would be huge actually. A huge undertaking to get 23% of the Bitcoin price, but I've no doubt it's going to happen with ETH 2.0 coming out and other updates that are coming out this month as well for Ethereum. So it's looking good for Ethereum just now. I do expect it to fall in line with the markets, and at the moment it's forming a support line as well. You can see here forming this support line. So what we don't want on the 4-hourly is to fall below this line. If we do, it looks as if that kind of $3,900 area could be touched upon again. But there's kind of weak supports in between there as well, around about the 4,200 area. So we could fall to 4,200, go below that, 3,900, below that, 3,600, and then it's a brilliant buying opportunity. Long term, extremely bullish on Ethereum with everything that's going on. If you're holding for the long term, you don't even need to look at this chart. But short term, if you're trading it just now, we could see some downside for Ethereum. But this is the support line just now. Keep an eye on that and see where it goes from there and trade accordingly as well. Okay, that's it for now. Until next video, namaste. Take care. Bye now.